How to use Claude Code in Terminal. First, install Claude Code. Let's open the PowerShell. And now let's install Claude Code using the official installer or npm. Let's type in this command. Let's run it. So it's been about 2 minutes and it's just now starting the install. So you should wait a bit. Okay, so now you might get this message, you might not get it. This is probably because I have like a bunch of SSDs and hard drives on my computer. My installation succeeded here, but the only problem is the warning that Windows doesn't know where Claude is, basically. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type in this command, I'm gonna hit enter, then I'm gonna close PowerShell completely and open a new PowerShell. Then I'm gonna run this command. Let's see if we can find Claude now. And there you go. I'm just gonna type in Claude to run Claude. And there you go, here it is. Claude is running in the terminal. Now to actually start using Claude, you need to select one of these. So let's just click the number 2. And here it's gonna ask you to select a login method. You can't use a free Claude account for this. You need to have a paid subscription. Let's just say you want to use a Claude account with the subscription. You're gonna press the 1 key and it's gonna open up a browser. It's gonna ask you to upgrade to Max or Pro. And once you log in, you can now type requests in plain English. Claude can read files, edit code, run commands with permission, and explain its changes. These are the most essential commands you need to learn to use Claude. You can also use CLI commands outside a session. Now when you're finished, all you need to do is type in exit or press Ctrl and D. To continue your last conversation, simply type in Claude-C and then Claude will resume where you left off, making it easy to continue working on the same project. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.